quiet is.
Step outside today. Look around, the world will amaze. You'll find you could not have seen. A tiny seed would become a mighty tree in time. Even the dark clouds that hide sunny days draw flowers out in the rain. There is wonder and surprise blooming right before our eyes. It's all in the magic of life. Even a mistake sometimes turns out to be just what it takes. You're fine. The road may not lead where we think we should be. A wrong turn can lead you to see that the world, it will astound. So much beauty to be found. It's all in the magic of life. It's all in the magic of life.
Quiet is. A napping kitten.